Hey guys, so a lot of people are wondering on how to cancel their Atlas credit card because it now costs them $80 plus a month. Now, you can't do this through the app, okay? What you can actually do, I actually went through this, people didn't really help him, but you can just come and email them. This is their email address. This is their official terms and conditions. So I found the email. It's hello@atlascard.com, or you can even write them at this address. Now, they're legally obligated to cancel your card when you email them and basically let them know that you no longer need this card and to please cancel it. Now, before they can cancel it, okay, you need to make sure all your outstanding balances are settled before you attempt, okay, to close your account. If you have any pending balance, you'll need to manage it to complete the closure. And basically, the support team will review a request and respond within a business day or two. And once it's confirmed, your account will be closed. You can also follow up with them, but within a day or two, they'll get it done. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.